Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.3 question number 1 D. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 8,000 for 1 year at 9% per annum compounded half yearly. Right? Let us solve this one. Let us solve this one. Here you see that principal P is given as rupees 8,000. Rupees 8,000. R. The rate of interest is 9% per annum but compounded half yearly. That means 9 by 2%. 9 by 2% per 9% per annum means 9 by 2% per half yearly. And n, that is time. Number of years is 1 year. That is 1 year is equal to 2 half years. 1 year. N is equal to 1 year. 1 year. That is equal to 2 half years. 2 half years. Now we can find the amount. We know that amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Therefore, we are getting principal is 8,000 into 1 by r is 9 by 2%. That is 9 by 2 into 100 to the power n is 2. Therefore, we are getting 8,000 into, here it is 200 plus 9 to the power 2. That is, we are getting 8,000 into 209 by 200 into 209 by 200. After calculation, we are get the amount as rupees 8,000 as rupees 736.20. This amount. If we find the compound interest CI, we know that compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is rupees 736.20 minus 8,000. Therefore, we are getting rupees 7,736.20 as the compound interest. This is the answer. And amount is rupees this one. That is 8,736.20. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.